Hello, my name is Tim Manzke, and I'm going to show an example of simplifying an expression with variables and numbers, coefficients. We're going to use, in our first step for this problem, is what's called the distributive property. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this 5 here. And what we're going to do is we're going to distribute the negative 5 to each of these terms inside the parentheses using the distributive property. Okay, so if I did this, you take negative 5 times the 6, and when you do that, you're going to get a negative 30x, because a negative 5 times a positive 6 will give you a negative 30. Again, you're going to distribute the 5 to the 8, so you're going to take negative 5 times a negative 8, that will give you a positive 40y. Then you're going to take the negative 5 times a positive 9, and that would give you a negative 45z. Okay, so in our first step, what we did was we just used the distributive property, multiplying the 5 to each of these terms, multiplying 5 times the 6, taking the negative 5 times the negative 8, taking the negative 5 times the positive 9. Next thing we want to do is combine our like terms. So looking at this expression here, the like terms are going to be the x's. We're going to make that into one number. The y's into one number, and then the z is going to remain isolated. So I have a positive 3 and a negative 30. So you'd subtract 30 minus 3 is going to equal 27. Next. Now the 3 is smaller than the 30, so we're going to put a negative in front of the 27. Same thing with the y and the 40y. Now if I don't see a number of the y here, it has what's called a value of 1. Okay. So what we're doing is we're taking a negative 1 and a positive 40. Again, when the signs are unlike signs, we're going to subtract the numbers. Take 40 minus 1. That's going to give you positive, 39. Because again, the 40 is bigger than the minus 1, so we'll have a positive 39. And then you'll have 45z left over. We look at all three terms. We have 3 terms left. These 3 terms are considered unlike terms. In order to have like terms to combine together, they got to have the same variable, same exponent. Since all 3 of these terms have different variables, therefore we cannot combine them together. Alright, that is it. Please contact me if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer any additional questions you might have. That's it. Please take care and have a nice day. Thanks for listening.